In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Shopify free trial. To do this, first just go to Shopify and go to Settings in the bottom left. Then from there you want to go and click on Plan, and within the Plan section you will see your trial as well as how many days you have remaining. To cancel it, simply click Cancel Trial. And from there click I have reviewed the information above if you have, and then click Continue. Then it will ask what your main reason for leaving is, for example too expensive. Then just continue, and you can then confirm it by clicking on Cancel Trial. And you will see if you do this, your store will be closed and you will lose access to your data. So now you can see your plan was cancelled, and that basically means in this case your free trial was cancelled. So now you know how to cancel your Shopify free trial. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.